Okay, we gotta start another weekend project. Seems like it's never ending. My friend had her tree torn down. We are going to get rid of the shavings. She kept the shavings, but don't know why, but we're going to get rid of these shavings. Oh my god. Okay. She's starting already. You see, notice the minute I walked out here, I started sneezing.
Yeah, I saw that. I heard that.
It's probably a, huh?
I heard that.
Yeah. Okay, that's what we're doing today. Let's do
this. Done this sooner because it's hard as a rock now.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, it's moist. It's moist this morning, right? We just filled the hole in where a tree was. And it's time to, oh my god, look at all the dust. Boy, look, it looks like smoke. Oh.
Heat.
Oh.
And decay generates heat.
Yeah. Okay, let's do this. Oh no. Yeah, it's gonna be tough, but two people doing it may go quicker. Okay, let's do this. That's it. Gotta lower it because we gotta let the grass grow over it, and she's gonna plant a tree right over here. That one was way too close to the house, messing up her roof. You know, take note. Don't plant your trees too close to the house. You want to for shade, but it'll ruin your roof. Okay, that's it. Sunday morning. 10 o'clock, it is getting hot. 10:15. So yeah, it's getting hot now, so we're gonna go ahead and just call it a day. And yeah, we did what we came to do. Okay, now we're gonna spread it out. Okay. Thank you for joining Sue's weekend doing stuff. Yay!